Hey guys, for the following question, we're asked to find the area completely enclosed by the curves y equals to e to the power of x, y equals to negative e to the power of x, and the vertical lines x equals to -1 and x equals to 1. So immediately what you know here is that you're going to have to set up an integral. So we set up an integral and the bounds are going to be these vertical lines, namely -1 to 1. And now the area enclosed by these two, you know that e to the power of x is looking something like this. And then negative e to the power of x, well, it's going to look something like this. And then if we have the vertical lines -1 and 1, the area they're asking for is probably just this part. So this is just a short visualization that you should have in your head. However, this is the paper 1 question, so definitely you cannot be graphing this on a graphic calculator. So then what we do is we take our e to the x and subtract it from the lower function negative e to the power of x dx. So what we then get is an integral from -1 to 1. Now ex minus negative ex is the same thing as ex plus ex, which is basically 2 e to the power of x, and you can see that this 2 can be moved to the front because it is just a coefficient. And this will make our lives so much easier simply because, well, 2 in the front, and then the integral of e to the power of x remains e to the power of x. So it's going to be the same. It's going to be e to the power of x evaluated from -1 to 1. So what that is equal to is 2 times e to the power of 1 minus e to the power of -1. So what that means, when we open up the parentheses fully, we get 2e minus 2e to the power of -1. Of course, you can also write it as 2e minus 2 over e, but however, that is up to you. The final answer should look something like this.